What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to another episode here of 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. And welcome to the end of the week. Common Sundays, I like to say, or end of the week car chat about what's going on. Just where I literally bring up your comments throughout the week. I just think it's a fun thing to do, just to wrap up kind of what went on during the week. Again, guys, it's just my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community. I'm not news or anything like that. It's I really want to try and turn this into kind of a podcast talk show on the weekends. If you're interested in coming on the show or coming on the channel just to talk about some of your favourite car YouTubers, hit me up on my Instagram page, DM me, and we can sort something out. That's kind of the direction I want to go. We will, hopefully get a project car in the summer as well. So if you like this kind of stuff, guys, please do smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, like, comment, all that kind of stuff. We're aiming for 2,000 subs, and just give the channel a chance. Just a bit of fun, guys, and a bit of fuckery, and just have a laugh while we're talking about cars as well. So the way I'm going to do this today is I'm going to go. Now there isn't that many comments, obviously, because I'm such a small channel, but hopefully as we get bigger we get more comments I can cover. So we're going to start from probably my latest video backwards. Probably the best thing to do that I find would probably just now, guys, there is going to be comments on every every video that I do. As I said, I'm just a small channel, so it does take some time. So now if my internet hurries up. So yeah, now my latest video was Tanner Fox bought a wide arch Lamborghini Huracan. He bought it from Will Motivation at West Coast Exotics. And Stradman bought the MP4 12C. That was my most latest video, and basically Tilly, I think is his name. He's a regular commenter of mine and a subscriber, I'm pretty sure. He just basically said about, because Stradman bought the car off his friend for $83,000 or $87,000, and just said that I'll make sure I can zoom in as well, guys, for you, just so you can actually see what is being done, because or what's being said, because I know some people, they're saying on their phone it might be a bit too small, so I might just zoom in so you can kind of see a bit better. So I just said basically, like, I have to agree with him saying, Stradman is a genuine person and will go out of his way to do this for somebody, which is pretty cool for his friend. And he basically commented on DDE's R34 that are using original Nismo parts, and when they get the cats removed as well. And basically on Tanner Fox's new Huracan, saying it's one of the best ones out there. And I agree, it's probably one of my most favourite. It's a Liberty Walk, I think, version 3. It's probably my favourite kit for the Huracan. If I ever got a Huracan, this would be the kit I would get for it. So I definitely agree with him on that. So let's see, we'll go back here as well. No, I need to go back to my channel. So let me know what you think about, if you've seen the latest video, what your opinions are on it as well. Next up, basically we're covering when I basically just gave my thoughts and opinions on the Tuatara reaching the world record, 5 miles an hour more than the current holder. Now this got a few comments in it. Basically, B Rush, he basically gave a video link explains about the boost in power and the 7th gear, because we know the Tuatara is definitely going to had way more to give, and it had to obviously slow down at 286 miles an hour. It was, he basically knows a lot, probably more about it than I do. My friend Anne, Sports and Touring, saying about the transparency, which is very important with giving the access to YouTubers and what they're doing, what's going on with the Tuatara, which was great. I think they really had to do this. Obviously with Motor Trend rubbing up the car community YouTube the wrong way as well. Killer Chief, great top speed. Italio, I've seen Magic Number. So still we have to Sheeran run. Now see, the Sheeran run, as I said to him, it's it hasn't been recorded as world record. I get it. But until it is, it won't be counted. But still, I'm sure we'll have other cars waiting to break that 300 mark and officially be recorded as well. Delta Dandy, he sometimes comments on my videos. He's the complete, as I say, guys, doesn't matter if your comment is positive, negative, whatever, I'll still cover it. His point of it is he's just saying it's to be. He doesn't bother with records. It's all one. Fuck it, it's just see how fast the car goes and leave it at that. I get it, and I would say it'd be great to see 3 of supposedly the fastest cars, even 4, like the Chiron Sport. Or I can't remember, it was the Chiron 300. I can't remember the name of the Chiron that was supposed to break the 300 mark. But that and the Venom F5, Tuatara, and the Esco, line the 4 of them up with a big, massive, long roadway and see who comes out on top. That would be pretty sweet. That's what I would like to see. But yeah, some good good comments from the guys there, making some good valid points as well. Just kind of stuff like that, guys. It's pretty interesting to hear what people think of it, and what's going to happen with the Tuatara as well, when it is, when it is going for a 300 run as well. So I just think it's going to be cool. See who else goes up and competes against it. Also. Now, I don't think I get any comments on the TJ Hunt buys, his fastback. I'm pretty sure I didn't. I got very small views. This, I can't remember if I got comments on it. Now, the reason I mentioned this is because there was comments. The one thing I noticed is that whenever DDE comments on Stradman's videos, Stradman never replies. I don't see him on Instagram or on YouTube, and somebody did say like that DD was copying them, and we all know there is people out there that are literally Strad or DD and don't like whichever one. Did anyone comment on this? I can't remember, but the reason I just brought it up because it was just interesting to see what people think. So yeah, people did comment on it. So West Coast Turbo is another person regularly comments as well. So I find DD is more involved with shops, cities, and people. Fair point. And from sports and touring, I think inspiration from each other. I think Anthony was saying, kind of agreeing with me about it was kind of coincidental that they kind of both were doing kind of, what they were doing with their cars at the time, and kind of the timing was, that's what I said. I think it was just unfortunate timing, kind of the way it happened. And West Coast then said no one owns any of it. I find DD is more targeted towards teenagers and adults. Strad is towards kids. I've heard that opinion a few times from people saying that. I mean, look, I only care about the cars. Don't care who would say that myself personally. I mean, as I said, everybody's different. Snake Thomas, everybody always copies somebody else. I mean, would this channel exist if Aaron Palos? I wanted to bring this one up actually. I didn't even reply to that. So, guys, I kind of, it gets annoying when people kind of try to compare me. Not compare, like the way I look at it is the long-term goal of this channel is completely different to the long-term goal of Aaron and Life of Palos. I don't have any supercars where I am. I can't pull up content out of my ass whenever I want. Where I live, there is none. So I give my thoughts and opinions. It's like talking to you, sitting down in the bar, having a pint, and just chatting to you about what was going on. What did you watch the video, Stradman or DD? Aaron is all about news. He's all about getting exclusives. He does that very well, right? He's got a way bigger audience than me. He's friends with DD and Triple F Connection. When I get that big, hopefully we will, and I can have those connections. It'd be a lot different, but the way this channel is going is I want people to come on and talk to them about what's going on behind the scenes of, like, if I got to talk to DD or Stradman, like a podcast, like, like, who else would I be able to say? Like if you ever watched the Pat McAfee show, bring people on, chat them for half an hour, ask them a few questions as well. Joe Rogan, something like that. That's the kind of kind of aim goal this channel, and also modify cars. You know, I want to do vlogs for you guys and travel and stuff like that. I want to make it a very multi kind of stuff. Aaron does news, that is it. I have thought, actually, and this is the other thing, I always had this idea for the channel way before Aaron was doing news, and that's not a lie, that's being honest. I just was too afraid and too nervous to even go in and start making videos. Like I had this thought about a year and a half, 2 years ago, maybe even longer, but I just never bothered doing it, and I was like, whatever. And as I said, Aaron does what he does very well. I've come up with a few ideas for my channel, and we're just at the moment we're just kind of in the same lane, me and Aaron, with our channels. And I just feel that, you know, I can't be, I don't know if I should be compared to him, because you know, because I'm probably Irish, a lot of people probably just don't like my thoughts and opinions of what I say. Maybe, I don't know. And he's more positivity, and you know, the way he comes across for the channels is completely different to the way I come across. I just don't give a fuck. I will just say what I say. It comes off the top of my head. That is it. Do you mean, like, you get what you see? I'm not trying to fake. I'm not trying to like fluff up anything or stuff like that. I just say what it is, and that's just the way this channel is always going to be. If you don't like it, tough shit. I'm not here to be different or try to suck up to any channels or anything like that. I just basically give my thoughts and opinions, guys. That's the way this channel is just going to be, and just to modify cars. And hopefully, if we get big enough and I can move out to the States, to Florida or somewhere, or Vegas, where this channel is big enough to do that, I definitely would. As I said, I want to bring subscribers on the channel and chat to you guys more and get your thoughts and opinions. Aaron's news, that's what he does. I'm going on a different route. We're just at the moment in the same kind of lane. So that's my answer to that as well. So what else? I find you need more bills, money invested, content, and better editing. I find Strad as cheap as you can. You put a video every 2 days. They have an editor. James doesn't. He edits himself. There's a big difference having an editor. When you have an editor, it can make the world of difference in you bringing out videos. You just got to pick up a camera, record, and you know, once you have the connections, do, you know, they've got that guy that edits for them, which is brilliant. Now, I have an editor called Luke in Germany, but he can only edit videos on the weekend. He's in school, so I can't really ask him to be editing videos for me constantly until we get a bit bigger, and hopefully can. But he edits way better than me. And when we start doing vlogs and bringing people on the channel, he'll be doing those edits, and it'll be a lot better as well, because he knows the stuff, and I trust him with the videos more than me editing them as well. And I tell you, as I said, Damon copies everything from all channels. He's very well known for it. For example, Mandy's GT3 livery, Damon stole from PFA's GT3 and claimed as his own. Just one of my examples. Again, see guys, everybody has their different perspective on it about what's being said and stuff like that. I'm just kind of, just as I said, I just kind of wanted to bring up your comments about what you think and what I think. So, you know, that's kind of what Common Sunday is all about. Just wrapping up what went on during the week as well. So yeah, I'll leave it at that, guys, for today's video. I can't really time these. I should be timing them because I know they probably go on too long. But if you like this kind of stuff, guys, again, please do subscribe, comment, like, and until next Sunday's Comment Sunday, you know, we'll see you then. So hopefully I'll have a video out tomorrow. I'll see what way I am. If not, it'll be Tuesday. But until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.